In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a GitHub branch. Whether you're a developer or just getting started with version control systems, managing your branches effectively is a crucial skill. Today we will dive right into GitHub's interface to show you how to rename a branch. It's a straightforward process and should only take a few minutes to grasp. Let's begin with navigating to GitHub's website. If you're not already familiar, GitHub is a platform for version control and collaboration, allowing multiple people to work on projects at the same time. Head over to github.com from your preferred web browser. Once there, you'll need to sign in. This is where you enter your login credentials, your username and password to access your GitHub account. If you're not automatically taken to your dashboard upon signing in, you can access it through the site's navigation from the top right corner of the page. With the dashboard open, you'll be able to see a list of your repositories. A repository, often called a repo, is where your project's files and the revision history are stored. Find and click on the repository you want to work with. Now that you're inside the repository, locate and click on the Branches tab. This option is typically alongside other tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Clicking on Branches will display all the branches within that repository. Branches in GitHub help you manage different versions or features of your project. It's essentially a way to divide and conquer your project's development without interfering with your primary or main working codebase. Here comes the part we've been waiting for, renaming your branch. Find the three-dot icon next to the branch you want to rename. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu. From here you'll see an option labeled Rename Branch, which is exactly what we need. Click on this option. Once you click Rename Branch, you'll notice that the name of the branch becomes editable. This is where you input the new name for your branch. When naming your branch, it's a good idea to use something descriptive yet concise, as this helps you and your team easily identify the branch's purpose or the feature you're working on. After entering the new name, go ahead and click Highlight or Save to finalize the change. And there you go, your branch has been successfully renamed. This process is simple but very important for managing project versions effectively. By following these steps, you've not only renamed your GitHub branch, but also set up a clearer, more organized workflow for your coding projects. Thank you for watching, and remember, efficient organization can vastly improve your team's productivity and collaboration.